Good afternoon. Good evening. How is everybody doing today? I am James Weatherman here with a video talking about the severe weather outbreak that's likely going to be occurring Monday and Tuesday. We'll be discussing a little bit about it. Um, Currently, you see the day 2 convective outlook. I'm going to go over the short range forecast that the National Weather Service put out. Heavy rain and severe thunderstorms possible throughout portions of the southern plains and lower Mississippi Valley on Monday. Um, Overnight Sunday into Monday, a strong front and associated deep upper level trough move across the Rockies to the middle lower Mississippi Valley by Tuesday. The storm will produce rain and higher elevation snow over the Rockies and the southwest overnight Sunday into Monday morning. As this system moves out of the Rockies, a wave of low pressure will develop over southern high plains, pulling moisture northward over the plains in Mississippi Valley from the Gulf of Mexico. The wave of low pressure will produce snow over central southern Rockies and showers and thunderstorms over central southern plains in the middle lower Mississippi Valley. Some of the thunderstorms will become severe, therefore, on Monday, the SPC has issued an enhanced risk for severe thunderstorms over part of the southern plains and lower Mississippi Valley. The hazards associated with these thunderstorms are frequent lightning, severe thunderstorms, wind gusts, hail, and a few tornadoes. In addition, there's a 10% or greater probability of 2-inch or greater hail and a 10% or greater probability of an EF2 to an EF5 within 25 miles of any point over part of the southern plains on Monday into Tuesday morning. As we're looking at the Storm Prediction Center, you do see that enhanced risk over Houston. This includes Houston, Austin, Pasadena, Waco, and Killeen, Texas. As I was discussing about the 10% risk, this is for tornadoes. Wind, damaging wind for Houston, Pasadena, Waco, College Station, and Sugar Land, Texas. Hail, the beginning of the system, you'll likely see some baseball-sized hail. So in addition, there's moderate risk of excessive rainfall with these thunderstorms. So there's going to be several inches of rain, a lot of flash flooding. On Tuesday, the Storm Prediction Center has issued a moderate risk of severe thunderstorms. This is actually rare. This is pretty rare. You see 3 days out. It was actually about 5 days out when they had the 15% already out on it. So this is pretty rare. But the hazards associated with these storms are frequent lightning, severe thunderstorm, wind gusts, hail, a few tornadoes, possibly on the strong significant side. On Tuesday, there is 10% or greater probability of significant severe weather within 25 miles of point over parts of the region, with threat of excessive rainfall is likely where the storms go over. Now let's go over and take a look at before we go look at the models and everything. We're just going to look at these slides that their local National Weather Forecast Office put out. Austin and San Antonio. This was issued this afternoon at 12:41 p.m. Central Standard Time. Hail is the primary threat, but damaging winds and tornado is possible. This is for the San Antonio, Austin area. You see the enhanced risk is Austin. San Antonio is basically on that line of enhanced and slight risk. Wind is 3 p.m. Monday to 3 a.m. Tuesday. Greatest risk is in that orange area. Now, for going further north, a strong storm system will be affecting this area. This is out of Houston, Galveston, Texas. the Gulf of Mexico, Monday afternoon into early Tuesday. Now this is for Dallas Fort Worth. Greatest threat is in that Waco, Killeen, east. Large hail, tornadoes, damaging wind. The highest tornado threat will be east of I-35 and south of I-20. Now for tomorrow, potential risk. Storm Prediction Center put out 4 out of 5. That's the moderate risk. It wouldn't surprise me if that moderate risk expands a little bit. But pretty solid damaging winds, moderate risk, large hail, moderate tornadoes, moderate. So that strong tornado potential will be on that just a little bit lower, but they'll both be moderate. Flooding moderate and lightning moderate. As we get in here, damaging winds up to 70 miles per hour, large hail up to a golf ball size, and tornadoes likely with some possibly strong. That's in both the moderate and enhanced risk. And you could see a tornado or two in the slight risk as well. This is for Shreveport, Louisiana, out of that office today at 3:50. And then let's go over to the models. And then we're just gonna look at the GFS model real quick, and go down. We're just gonna take a glance at it. We will be looking at the NAM. You can see as of tomorrow at 6 p.m. You see that as the global forecast, their GFS model is showing that there's a line that's going to be over the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And then later on, you see that the storm system moves up. Wouldn't surprise me if the moderate risk gets moved up a little bit more. That's the global forecast system, or the global forecast. The GFS model will look at the NAM. This is similar. We have a line gonna be going over Dallas Fort Worth tomorrow around 6. This model is showing it's just a little bit behind, but I expect it to be anywhere from here to here at that 6 p.m. And then we see that potential of, once it becomes linear, then we have some embedded supercells that we could be looking at, possibly rain-wrapped strong tornadoes as well. Now let's look at I'm just going to go along and we're going to look at that Cape for tomorrow, where those storms are going to be. So we're seeing anywhere from up here, the border of Oklahoma, 2,000 joules per kilogram, all the way down to near San Antonio. You can go way down here, close to 3,000 joules per kilogram. So that's it will be very unstable. There's going to be a lot of moisture in the air. The energy is going to be high. Could possibly even have a strong long track tornado. It would not surprise me. And then Tuesday is when I think you guys need to stay weather aware on Tuesday. That Tuesday is gonna be probably the biggest day of this outbreak event. So just the NAM forecast is showing the SIG tornado, significant tornado perimeter, is showing south central part of Louisiana at 5.2 tornado at a quite fast rate of speed. Just so be weather aware. For I might be able to, if I'm not streaming, stay weather aware. Stay tuned to your local National Weather Service for sure, because and your news outlets. But I think this moderate risk might get pushed up just a little bit more, and could be pulled back. So it could be a shape of a banana. I would think, and they may issue a high risk. They may, like I said, they may issue a high risk. That's a 5 out of 5. That's possible. I'm not ruling that out. And then if you go into day 4, Wednesday, you see that the rest of these storms are going to be on the East Coast. Make sure you guys like the stream, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and leave a comment, because I'm going to respond to all the comments. Tell me what your favorite month of the year is. I appreciate everybody tuning in. I'm James the Weatherman. Stay weather aware.